Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Srinivasi Shop Developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a single record into the table. So, using Dapper C Sharp. So, let's get into this. So, so this is the table actually in which we are going to insert the single record. Okay, so this is the builds table. So, in which we are going to insert a record, right? So, for that we are going to use this object. This object is nothing but this is the model object of the table actually just created. So you can see in my earlier tutorials. So I just explained what is the builds and object and connection and all. So we have a connection object here. So this is nothing but we have a connection as a global variable. We have a connection here. So this is my connection string. So now we are going to insert a single record into the table. So for that we are going to use the execute method. So inside that method we need to write a query at bill number, sorry, at bill number, and bill date at bd at customer at address at item count IC at bill amount at paid amount at balance amount. Okay, this is the actual query. This is a query which is used to insert the data, right? So we just specify the scalar variables names only, so we need to pass the parameter values. So for that we need to create one simple object. So inside the object we are going to pass the values to the scalar variables. So bill number equal to 3, so it should be unique because it's a primary key. Bill number equal to 3, new key, and at bd equal to bill date time dot now, and customer equal to customer 3, and at address equal to Delhi. So the next one is item count equal to 4, and so I'm not going to add the items for this bills. I'm just going to insert bill alone. Okay, so but simply I am just specifying item code is good for only for demonstration actually, right? So bill amount equal to 2000, paid amount equal to 1500, and balance amount equal to 500. So 2000 minus 5000 500, right? So, and sorry for this, yeah. So now uh, the result will be 1 actually, because we are going to insert the one record insert, right? So So whenever we click on the insert button, so we will simply insert a new record actually. So right, so that's what we are going to do. So I'm going to run. Yeah, whenever I insert, you can see I'm going to press the F10. Yeah, it moves successfully. The result is one row is affected, which means our row is inserted actually. So we will check. Yeah, this is the row we just inserted now using Dapper C sharp. So this is how we can insert a single row into the database using C sharp Dapper. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to insert the collection of data into the table using Dapper C sharp. So yeah, which means we are going to insert a more than one record um, with the collection object as a parameter, right? So thank you so much. I hope you can understand, guys. So yeah, see you soon.